Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the cart subtotal condition in our Cart Lock app. Subtotal means the order amount, excluding the shipping cost and tax fee. Now open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Cart Subtotal option. Here, block if less than sets the minimum amount required. Anything less will be blocked. And block if more than sets the maximum allowed. Anything more will be blocked. Remember, you cannot use block if less than and block if more than at the same time. For this example, we'll enter 500 in the block if less than field, so the order will be blocked if the cart subtotal is less than $500. Now you'll need to give your rule a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set a proper message. This message will appear at the checkout page when the rule is triggered, so make sure it's simple and helpful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Your rule is now set. Now let's add some items to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because the cart subtotal value is less than $500. Now, let's increase the quantity of an item so that the total value of these two items exceeds the minimum $500 amount. Let's head over to the checkout page and take a look again. As expected, the error message is gone because we've now met the minimum $500 amount. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!